Today on BBC World News, we are comparing banks, Wells Fargo, Frost, and Security Service Federal Credit Union. We are going to compare their rates on savings accounts, certificates of deposits, money market accounts, and individual retirement accounts. To help you better understand these accounts, we are going to show some definitions so you can grasp them better.
Hello there, welcome again to BBC World News, and we are here reporting live, trying to help other people understand the differences between a savings account, a certificate of deposit, money market account, and the individual retirement account, the IRA. And just some things to look over. The savings account is more of a personal account. That's what someone uses if they want to be able to access their money quickly, access it oftenly. It's more of a security, not as much as a I'm going to get rich quick thing. Now we move on to the certificate of deposit, which is in fact quite more of the opposite. You put this money into the account, you can't touch it. It's going to have a date on when you can get it, usually maxing out at about 7 years. And they're hefty sums of money for very much higher interest rates than the savings account. So if you're, I don't want to touch my money, I don't want to spend it, you're going to want to go with the certificate of deposit. Now the money market account is similar, but it takes a much larger deposit, unusually large deposit. And what you're going to do is you're going to put that in the bank, and you're not going to go below that line. That's going to be your bottom line, and you're going to get very competitive rates. You're going to have high interest rates, but the thing is you have to have the money to put in the bank, and you have to be able to sustain that. So that's just for if you have a lot of extra money lying around and you want to make some money more off of that, you can go ahead and put that into the money market. And the other one is the IRA, which is very long term. It's what people are going to use to get their retirement funds. It's not something you're going to want to put your grocery money or something like that. That is something you're going to collectively use over the years and hardly ever touch. So those are just the differences on the different types of bank accounts.
And finally, the question you've all been waiting for. What is the best bank in the world? Well, it's Security Service Federal Credit Union, yes. In a savings account, if you wanted to double your money from $2,000 to $4,000, it would take only a minuscule 691 years. Yes. If you were to use a money market account, it would only take 231 years. If you were to use an IRA, it would take only 154 years. But if you were to use the best one, to go from $2,000 to $4,000, a certificate of deposit would get you there in only 32 years. Yes, we have the victor. Here are the calculations. Hello. Here at BBC, it was unanimous. Service Credit Union, yes, they are the best. To show you just how good they are, we have put up some graphs and tables to show you how much money you could save with each kind of their different
Hello there. And we would just like to introduce you to the other topic. Caleb, we're getting news that Security Service was not the best bank. I'm sorry to tell you that. It was actually Wells Fargo. And if you're watching this newscast, please look at the pamphlet included, and it will explain to you the interest rates and the graphs are all included in that pamphlet. And we're just sorry for making that error.
Up next on BBC, we have Doctor Who Confidential and Dancing with the Stars. Stay tuned.